As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Napoleon TravelQ 285, both propane grills. First impressions?
Well, the Char-Broil is definitely cheaper, like $139 versus the Napoleon's $224. That's a significant difference right off the bat.
True, but let's dig into the specs. The Char-Broil has 280 square inches of cooking space and a 20,000 BTU rating. The Napoleon has slightly more cooking area at 285 square inches, but a lower BTU rating of 12,000. What does that mean practically?
The Char-Broil might heat up faster and get hotter overall, which could be good for searing. The Napoleon, with its lower BTU, might be more even and better for slower cooking, if that makes sense.
Yeah, and the Char-Broil has a side burner, which the Napoleon doesn't. Handy for sauces or keeping things warm.
Good point. But the Napoleon is designed to be super portable. It has folding legs and wheels. It's also lighter, weighing about 20 pounds compared to the Char-Broil's 37.5. So, tailgating or camping, Napoleon wins.
Definitely. What about the grates? The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates, while the Napoleon boasts cast iron.
Cast iron is the way to go. They hold heat better and give you those nice sear marks. Porcelain-coated is easier to clean, though. It's a trade-off.
The Char-Broil is also GearTrax compatible, so you can add accessories.
That's cool for customization. I am curious about the materials. The Char-Broil seems to have more stainless steel, and the Napoleon is aluminum.
The Napoleon is cast aluminum, which is great because it won't rust.
Right, so it's down to price versus portability and features. If you're on a budget and want a side burner, the Char-Broil. If portability and better grates are key, and you don't mind spending more, the Napoleon.
Exactly. And honestly, both have pretty decent ratings, so it's likely a matter of personal preference and how you plan to use the grill. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.